My name is Pedram. I'm originally from Iran, and I just recently came here to Melbourne, 2 months only. Well, no, I have 11 years of experience of working. My studying finished 2018. Well, my background is I was data analyst for more than 11 years. And after relocating here, I understand that I have to expand my skills while I'm actively looking for a job. So participating in this hackathon gives me the opportunity to create my own network and also expand my skills. So that's why I participated in. I found about the hackathon online on LinkedIn platform. So I was applied for it, and then I got a call that the lady told me that they will sponsor me to participate in this hackathon. So I was very glad, and I said I will definitely participate. And there was just reminding call that they called me to remind me, and I said, don't worry, I will be there at 11:30 sharp. So I was very happy to be part of here. First of all, the experience, and second of all, finding the community, talking to other people who are working in data analytics field to, create my own network and just know other people and use their experiences. That's motivate me to participate here. What I'm looking for today is creating community and talk to other people who are working in the same field as I am in data analytics and learn from their experiences. So I can gain experience, find community, and find other people who can help me find a better job. The goal I'm looking for from the hackathon is to win. I'm coming with the background of e-commerce. I worked in e-commerce platform, the biggest e-commerce platform in Iran, which is called Digicala. So I have the e-commerce background, so I come here with my background. I come here with my experience to win. But if I didn't win, it's okay. I get the experience. But I come for the competition.